Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to unbox my orders from GrabTel and also give you an update on the sample they sent us. We're here at my trading. These were the orders I got from GrabTel. This is the salmon snack. The salmon snack for the dogs. Packed very good. So now let's go ahead and clean our chicken coop. So every time I go inside the chicken coop, I have to use this organic chlorine bleach, which is an industrial food pan powder. This was given to me by Leek Family Farm. She is one of my mentors in raising chickens. If I have questions, I ask her. This is basically used so that it will not carry inside and outside the virus or bacteria that the birds will carry or my boats will carry in their coop. This is one of the perch of my chickens that they use at night. I usually just pressure wash it or use the jet setting of the nozzle. And if there are some kind of dry droppings, I just scrape them. I just use plain water in doing this. Let it dry under the sun and put it back. And I put some diatomaceous earth. You just have to be cautious with using this. You have to use goggles and protective mask so that you won't inhale the powder. And now we're going to try the chicken coop refresher. This even smells good even if it's not yet open. So it comes with resealable pouch. There are 4 bags like this inside. Every bag of this refresher contains 1/2 ounce and it will last up to 15 weeks according to the pouch on this refresher. So I distribute this inside the enclosed chicken coop of my chickens, including in their nesting boxes and dust bath. Maintaining the coop clean, giving them healthy food with lots of nutrients on it, making them comfortable and happy makes a healthy chicken, which means they will also give us delicious, huge eggs. I can even smell the mint from here. The 1-pound black soldier fly larva was just good for 2 days for my chicken, so I ordered more since I have to give a fair review on the product. So I made a further research about the black soldier fly larva. So these black soldier fly larvae are raised off of food waste that would have been thrown into landfills, and for every 1 pound of grubs purchased, 20 pounds of waste was diverted from landfills. It says here, no preservatives or additives. Their larva is great for ducks, turkeys, and other fowl as well as wild birds and fish. When checking the prices from different stores compared with what I had been giving with my birds, the mealworms, the Grabterra black soldier fly larvae are cheaper compared to what I had been giving them. And the nutritional value, the calcium and protein on this black soldier fly larva is higher than the mealworms. And by purchasing this will even lessen the food waste in the landfills. Having mealworm on one hand and black soldier larva on the other hand, the chickens even grab the black soldier larva first. Fresh eggs don't have to be stored in the freezer. I use a dry brush in cleaning them, and the tip has to be downwards so it lasts longer on the pantry. It has to be stored in a dry place. So these are the eggs that I have collected today. The following day, I collected more eggs. So these are the ones that we picked for this morning, and I'm going to go have this whole egg. This is an egg of an Easter eater. So I have here some salt. I'm going to eat this raw. Kids that food is there are some precaution that you have to do with this when you are eating the egg raw. Please do not do this if you have allergies with eggs or it is not fresh because it might have salmonella. So it also alam. That was way better than the first time I had this. Healthy eggs should be pale yellow, vibrant yellow, or deep orange. If you notice, the shell of my eggs is hard and it don't really break easily. So these were the eggs that I got after almost 2 weeks of starting feeding them with black soldier fly larvae. Now let's try the salmon snacks. It's a treat for medium to large dogs. But I'm going to try this for my small dog also, which is Sassy, and she was able to handle it though. This treat promotes healthy coat, but it has to be monitored because choking on this treat might happen on our dogs. You can click on my bio or on the tag products to get what I had been featuring. This will greatly help my channel.
Want more? You finished it?
Oh my
Band-Aids. Let me see. Wow, good boy. You like it? You like it? Oh my goodness. You like it? Oh, Kiki. Oh.
You like it too?
Goodness. My buddy. Lucy. Hello.
Thank you all for watching. Please leave a comment, like, and tell us what you've learned from today's video. Till next time, bye!